How's everybody doing? How's everybody doing today? What's up? Okay.
Who wants to make some money right now? Okay, you right there with the hand out. Get up here, run, hurry, quick. You better run. I said you wanted to make some money. I got money right here. I got like a couple $100 in my hand. Okay, you two, get up here. Why not? Okay, I got some cars here. We're gonna play a game. This will be fun. I got $20 right here. Okay, I'll put it right there. You start right here. For every time you roll a car, but the car's gonna cost you $2. So you gotta spend $2 to get a car. You willing to play this game? You know the fair where they make you pay like $10 to shoot a basketball, and you're like, there's no way I'm gonna make that. And then you just wasted your $10. Anybody been there to get like a $2 stuffed animal? Yep, that's Disney World for you, right? That's Disney World. So he's got $2. You get to buy as many cars as you want, and if you hit the 20, you get the 20.
Like roll over?
You have to roll over the 20. How many do you want to buy? Okay, just one. Cool. You can pay me after for time's sake. Go.
Can I get a little test on this?
So he's gonna buy one. Here we go.
Oh,
Okay. He hit it. He got it. He got it. So he just made $20. Was that a good investment for him? Okay, good. Let's give it up. What's your name? Brian. He just got $20. You owe me two. I'm gonna play this game, and I'm gonna buy the rest of your cars for you. It's $2. Except I get this bad boy.
How many cars do I get?
How many cars do you think I should buy? All of them? Why do you say that?
One.
Just one? You think I should buy one car? Every time I hit a 20, I get 20. Should I buy them all or should I just get one? Why do you think all in? All right, I'm going all in. Backwards. 1. Oh, 20. 20. Killing it. 20. Okay, that's 60. Spent 6. Okay, I spent, how much am I at? 8? Okay. Killing it. Oh, baby. Okay, thank you. I'll go home tonight. Thank you. Hey, not need me later, but did you get your 20? Okay. Hey.
So this is you, isn't it?
Wait, what am I doing? Okay, tell me out, Brian. What am I doing?
You're the track.
What do you mean?
Like,
What's the difference here?
trying to roll it without the track. Not very good unless you're me, but, you have
So,
the track.
I'm not the track. No, you don't want me to be the track.
You're
What's the guy? What's this? What's this?
Hour.
The reps.
Yeah, that's
Here's the problem with most businesses. Here's the problem. Thank you guys. Here's the problem with most businesses. Think about it. You guys are like, I spent money on recruiting. I spent time on recruiting. I tried that. But guess what happened? You were the second guy. You're like, well, that sucked. They're supposed to make me money. Here's the problem. Most of you guys go knock doors, right? You're like, I'm going to go sell, build, collect. That's what you've been trained on. I say, screw that. My whole model is recruit, train, lead. Why? Because if I go sell, build, collect, how much money can I make with one homeowner? Maybe 2 sales if I get a referral or 2, right? A couple sales. How much money if I knock a guy's door and I get him to sell me, or he comes sells for me and I can get him to sell 100 roofs? How much more money do I make as a business owner if I go knock that guy's door versus go knock a homeowner's door? What do I rather have? I recruit a guy that gets me 100 deals, or me go try to get 100 deals? Which would you rather do? Recruit the guy. Problem is you haven't put a system in place that's called the racetrack. I'm not the racetrack. I just teach you the racetrack. I give you the racetrack. The racetrack is a system in your business that when you what is a system for recruiting? Guess when you guys recruit? When one of your guys leaves. I got 5 guys, I have 1 guy leave. Oh, I better start recruiting now. No. You need to have a consistent system for recruiting. Meaning every week I spend this on ads. Every week I go to this campus. Every Thursday I go to the gym and set up a freaking table where I bring in and get those kind of recruits. Like I have a system for each element of recruiting.